In today's video, I'm going to teach you ClickUp versus Basecamp, which is better for project management. Let's get right into what makes each tool stand out, how they think about work, and what that means for your team day to day. By the end, you'll have a clear sense of which platform aligns better with your projects, your communication style, and how much structure or flexibility you need. First up is ClickUp. It positions itself as the software to replace all software, with a big promise: save time, save money, and cut through what it calls work sprawl, the chaos that happens when tasks, files, and conversations are scattered across too many places. The idea is that a lot of work gets lost in context, and ClickUp's approach is to bring everything into one command center. At the heart of that pitch is ClickUp Brain, a 24/7 intelligent assistant that's always on. It can surface quick answers from your workspace, help manage projects, and even turn your voice into text to speed up typing. On top of that, ClickUp offers specialized AI agents for different departments. Project management agents help track deliverables, marketing agents draft copy, and software agents assist with quality code generation. There are also agents focused on operations and employee experience, designed to reduce status polling and keep execution aligned with strategy. ClickUp backs its story with bold outcomes: a reported 384% return on investment, tens of thousands of hours saved, and a payback period in under 6 months. It's enterprise grade, with global security standards like SOC 2 and GDPR supported, and it's used by millions of teams. In short, if you want one place to plan, discuss, document, automate, and analyze, ClickUp aims to be a single, highly configurable workspace with AI woven throughout. What does that look like in practice? Expect a feature-rich environment with many ways to structure information, from high-level goals down to granular tasks. You can create custom fields, views, and workflows so your process reflects how your team actually operates. The trade-off is that the flexibility invites configuration, so it's worth taking time to establish clear naming conventions, consistent statuses, and a few default views. That bit of upfront structure can make the AI assistants and automations far more helpful because they're operating on well-organized data. Now, let's look at Basecamp. It focuses on being a direct, no-nonsense project management system designed to make work less difficult. Rather than layering on complexity, Basecamp is about clarity and reliability, and it's been around long enough to prove it. The experience is meant to be calm and quick to grasp. Right after you sign up, the personalized home screen shows you what's yours: assignments, events, and the things you actually need to pay attention to. Each project functions as a tidy hub that holds tasks, discussions, and files in one place, so you're not bouncing between apps to find what you need. For keeping perspective, Basecamp offers hill charts and progress reports that show where work really stands, not just whether boxes are checked. Communication is central to how Basecamp reduces friction. The Hey menu consolidates notifications, so you see what changed without getting flooded, and private pings keep quick conversations in the workspace instead of spilling into personal apps. If you work with clients, Basecamp shines by bringing approvals, deadlines, and feedback into the same shared space as your team, reducing the back and forth that happens across email threads and chat apps. Basecamp also makes a strong case for consolidation. It's powerful enough to replace separate tools for chat, task management, and file storage, which can lower costs and reduce tool fatigue. Under the hood, it leans on a stable, long-term business foundation, redundant data centers, and ongoing support, offering peace of mind for teams that value predictability and responsiveness. So which one is better? It depends on the kind of projects you run and how your team prefers to work. If you need deep customization, rich reporting, and embedded AI support across content, tasks, and technical work, ClickUp is compelling. Its strength is bringing every department into one flexible framework and letting you automate the busy work. If what you want is a straightforward place where projects live as clean hubs, conversations stay focused, and clients can be true collaborators without extra complexity, Basecamp is an excellent fit. Think about how often you need to reconfigure your process. If your workflows evolve frequently or span multiple departments, ClickUp's flexibility and AI agents can adapt with you. If you care more about everyone understanding what to do in the next 10 seconds, Basecamp's simplicity can help you move faster with less training. For governance and security, ClickUp highlights compliance and enterprise controls, which can matter in regulated environments. For operational continuity, Basecamp emphasizes reliability and ease, which can matter if you're tired of juggling too many tools. A few practical tips as you evaluate. Map one representative project in each tool, then run it for a full cycle with a small group. In ClickUp, define a minimal set of statuses and fields, then turn on AI only where it clearly saves time, like drafting briefs or summarizing updates. In Basecamp, set up a single project with clear to-dos, a message board for decisions, and a shared file area. Then invite a client or stakeholder to experience the approval flow. Pay attention to how quickly people find what they need, how well conversations stay on topic, and whether status is obvious without extra check-ins. At the end of the day, the better tool is the one that reduces uncertainty for your team and turns scattered effort into steady progress. If a flexible, AI-augmented workspace is your edge, go with ClickUp. If a calm, consolidated hub keeps everyone aligned with less fuss, go with Basecamp. Either way, start small, standardize how you name and organize things, and let the tool's strengths shape consistent habits. If you found any value in today's video, hit the like button, drop a note in the comments, and subscribe to the channel for more practical walkthroughs. Thanks for watching.